Hey there, welcome back to IG Garage, your one-stop channel for all things cars. Today, I'm going to talk about some common gear shifting mistakes that many drivers make without even realizing it. These mistakes not only ruin your driving experience but can also cause serious damage to your car over time. So if you're a car owner or just love driving, stick around till the end. Let's get started. First up, not pressing the clutch fully while shifting gears. When you don't press the clutch all the way down, it causes the clutch plates to wear out faster and puts unnecessary stress on the transmission. Always remember, fully pressing the clutch allows for a smoother gear shift and prevents long-term damage to your car's parts. Next, changing gears at the wrong time. For example, driving in a high gear at low speed or a low gear at high speed places extra pressure on your engine and transmission. Driving in the correct gear not only protects the engine but also improves fuel efficiency, saving you money and extending the life of your car. Do you keep your hand on the gear lever even after shifting gears? This is another bad habit that can cause damage. Constant pressure on the gear lever puts strain on the transmission system, which may lead to expensive repairs down the line. Instead, always keep both hands on the steering wheel for a safer and smoother driving experience. Now, let's talk about putting the gear in neutral before stopping. Many people tend to shift to neutral before the car has come to a complete stop. This can be harmful, as it puts extra pressure on the transmission system, leading to early wear and tear. The right way is to wait until the vehicle has completely stopped before putting it in neutral. Lastly, clutch slipping, or keeping the clutch half-pressed while driving. This wears out the clutch plates quickly, and can lead to expensive replacements. To avoid this, press the clutch fully only when necessary, such as when changing gears or stopping the car, and make sure to release it completely when you're driving. So, there you have it. 5 common gear shifting mistakes that many drivers make. Avoiding these mistakes will not only make your driving smoother but also save you from costly repairs in the long run. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to IG Garage for more car tips and tricks. Drive safe, and see you in the next video.